Hi, you're in Vitaly's Corner. Like, subscribe, feel free to do whatever you like. Today we're talking about Ethereum, also known as ETH, one of the most popular cryptocurrencies in the world, right after Bitcoin. But Ethereum is not just a digital money. It's a whole technology platform that allows people to build things on top of it. Think of it like the internet, but instead of websites, people build apps that run on blockchain, and no one controls them. Ethereum was launched in 2015 by a young developer named Vitalik Buterin. He had a vision to create a system that could do more than just send and receive money. He wanted a way for computers around the world to run programs together without needing a boss or central company. That's where smart contracts come in. There are little programs that run automatically when conditions are met. No middleman, no waiting, no confusion. For example, two people can make a deal to sell a digital artwork, and the smart contract will handle everything from payment to delivery instantly and safely. Thanks to Ethereum, we now have NFTs, unique digital items like art or music, DeFi apps where you can borrow, lend or earn interest on crypto, and DAOs, which are like online communities or companies without a CEO. In 2022, Ethereum made a big change called the merge. It switched from an energy-heavy system called Proof of Work to a cleaner one called Proof of Stake. This reduced Ethereum energy use by over 99%, a huge step for the environment. Developers are working on upgrades like shading to make it faster and cheaper. Plus other solutions like Layer 2 network help with lower fees and quicker transactions. Today, Ethereum is the most used blockchain in the world. It supports thousands of projects, and its community is one of the biggest in crypto. So whether you're interested in art, finance, or the future of the internet, Ethereum is right in the middle of it all. It's not just a coin, it's a platform for building the next generation of the web.